Hello YouTubers, this is my latest soap which I got a request for someone who wants this specific soap, which is vanilla scented and also has a small amount of vanilla seeds kind of speckled through it. I kind of kept that to a minimum because you don't really want vanilla seeds all over the bath, you know. Maybe the odd one you could live with, but they are messy to clean up, so when I use this mould, the first thing I have to do is cut it down the centre. So I measure it off and kind of mark it off like that because I don't trust myself to do it by eye. Because the problem is, if your bars of soap differ in weight quite significantly, then unless you want the palaver of doing different labels, I'm making a mess of this, different labels for individual bars of soap, then what I found I tend to do in those circumstances is just, you know, label them all as being at the lower weight. So this mould makes 20 bars which are 1 inch wide, or is that deep? 1 inch fat, shall we say. And they weigh, or will weigh when cured, about 110 grams each. So it's quite hard to actually cut through this, but what would be good would be kind of like a cheese cutting wire set up for this part. Well, my aim is to have nice wooden moulds with silicone liners, and I have got a small one of those, which is the only one I could find in the UK, but it only makes 8 bars. Well, in fact, more annoyingly still, it makes 8.5 bars, and you know, what are you supposed to do with that half bar? Now, I don't know if you can see this, but already, and this was just made yesterday, you can see that the top is a little browner than the kind, this is more cream, and that's starting to go brown, and all those speckles are bits of vanilla and vanilla seeds. With vanilla fragrance, you do find, actually I've got some mark like a vanilla seed there, but anyway, you do find that you see, this mould is pretty perfect to get the 20 bars. It just kind of takes a very thin sliver off the end, so they all look hunky-dory. But yeah, with vanilla fragrance, as the soap is exposed to the air, it turns brown, and I believe you can get some which don't do that. But obviously this isn't one of them. So you see the top, just from being in the mould exposed to the air, is already brownish compared to the inside, so presumably the whole lot's going to go brown. But as it's used, it will reveal lighter soap in the middle as it wears down. So I hope the customer likes that. That's what they wanted, and it's a nice vanilla fragrance. So we'll just cut this other log, and that will be our 20 bars. And that's it. Thanks for watching.